Welcome to a plan with me in my hobonichi cousin planner. I'm using a weekly kit from my shop. This is a journaling kit and it comes with torn paper stickers, some decos and date covers to help you plan in any planner that you like. And now I'm laying down some of the basic stickers such as deco and torn paper stickers. And then I'm using these dot stickers in the weekly section to mark down some of the tasks that I had that week. On Monday, I'm using a coffee cup sticker from my shop. I stored them in this reusable sticker book and I marked that I had coffee Monday. Then on Tuesday, I also marked that I had the early morning that day. Then I used this girl sticker along with the work lettering sticker to mark some work that I had that day. And now I'm using some deco stickers from the kit to just fill out the empty spaces. And I'm also using this one deco sticker which was the airport that I had on my walk on Monday. Sometimes I use deco stickers as functional stickers. So now I'm using this scallop label which is 1.5-inch wide, so I had to cut it down to fit into this Obonichi Cousin Planner weekly section. And I'm using this chef's hat sticker to mark that I made herb rice that day, and I'm marking that I had my skincare, then filmed this plan with me. Then I had to go home to my parents' house, so I marked that with the tiny sticker and tiny icon. And then I'm using a checklist to mark the designing stuff that I wanted to do that day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. See you next time.